In this video, I am going to show you how to add PayPal button to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to add PayPal button to it. So to add PayPal button to your Wix website, at first you need to open Wix website editor, and now from the left menu we are going to click on add elements button, and after that we will select payments from here, and on the top we will see PayPal buttons. So here we have different buttons that you can add to your Wix website. You can easily add donate or buy now button to your Wix website. You just need to hold the button and drag it to your website and it will be added to your website. Now we will do the settings for our button. So we are going to click on this setting gear icon. To receive the payments we need to provide the required info. So we need to add our PayPal email here. After that we can add our organization title here. And then we can also use this option let visitors set on amount, and after that you can select the currency from here, and also you can set the display settings for your PayPal pop-up. And when you are done, just click on publish button, and in this way PayPal button will be added to your Wix website. So this is how you can add PayPal button to your Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.